Hi, I'm Sarah from Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the April 2022 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Books Are Magic. When you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card. This just tells you a little bit about everything that comes in the crate, and it also includes a QR code, which will take you to your digital downloads, and I'll show you those at the end. Next, fittingly, we have a book or a booklet. This is called A Dose of Reminders, and it's from an Instagram account of the same name. And it has lots of inspiring quotes and messages for you. And these are just positive reminders to brighten your day. Next, we have this month's art print. It says all the cool kids are reading, and this was designed by Tiff in the middle. So again, also great for your classroom. Next, we have this self-love candle from Willow Collective. Great to light while you're reading your favorite book, or any book. So it comes in this cute little tin with this beautiful design. And then if you look closely, you can see it also has some crystals on the top. That has a really nice floral scent. Okay. Next, we have a set of book magnets. They say just one more chapter, the book was better, books are magic, and teachers are readers. So great for your home, on your fridge, or you can use on your whiteboard at school. Okay. Next, we have this hand cream. That's always a highly requested item because I know we all get dry hands from all the hand sanitizer end up using. This is a nice little travel size for keeping in your bag or your teacher desk. It's from Infinite She, and the scent is Inspired, and it's a violet leaf and jasmine passion scent. Okay. Next, we have this month's accessory. I designed this one. I think it's super cute. It is an enamel pin that says, I'd rather be reading. And it has a book with a little ribbon going around it and daisies. So this would be super cute on a lanyard or a jean jacket or your teacher bag. Then finally, we have this month's treat. This is a tea drop. And what this is, instead of a tea bag, it is like loose leaf tea. It comes in a little flower shape, and you just put it directly in hot water and it dissolves. This is vanilla white tea, and this has a low caffeine level, so fine to drink in the afternoon or evening. Those are all the physical items. And like I mentioned, your subscription also includes a collection of digital downloads. So you're going to get access from that QR code and also via email to some desktop wallpapers you can use. Again, going with this month's theme, Books Are Magic. And there are also printable reading trackers included for you to track the books you're reading, give them a rating, also a books I want to read list. Again, you could also use these with your students if you teach reading. Then there's also versions of those that are for your Instagram stories. So if you want to share what books you're reading each month or this year, there's templates for that as well. Then we have an activity for students. This is a reading recommendations activity. So there's these little slips. They can write a book they recommend, the author, and why they recommend it. So there's this version, which is plain lines for older students, and then a version with primary lines for younger students. If you want to make this like a bulletin board or door decor display, I also included a few different headers. I think there are 3 or 4 of these. This one says Books Are Magic. This is really easy. You can just print these slips on different color papers, even like rainbow would look really nice. And then put something like this in the middle, and then you have your reading recommendations all around. So in review, we've got your digital downloads. You have your self-love candle with those crystals in it. Your vanilla white tea drop, your Inspired hand cream, the I'd Rather Be Reading enamel pin, their set of 4 reading themed magnets, art print, this cute booklet, A Dose of Reminders, and then of course just your info card. So that's everything that comes in the April 2022 Books Are Magic crate. If you're not already subscribed, you want to head to teachercarecrate.com by April 14th in order to get this crate. I also have some news to share with you. As a lot of you know, I started Teacher Care Crate in January 2018, and it has grown to something bigger than I ever could have imagined. I've absolutely loved helping teachers practice stronger self-care, and I really want Teacher Care Crate to continue. If you follow me on my other account, The Designer Teacher, you might know that I am expecting my second child in July. And as that gets closer, I just want like a little more flexibility around the newborn period, and to be able to take a break when that happens, which I'm sure you guys understand. But like I said, I really want Teacher Care Crate to continue to grow and thrive and, help teachers practice stronger self-care like it's been doing for the last 4 years. So I'm excited to share that there is going to be a new owner taking over, Christina, and you'll learn a little more about her if you follow us on social media. So this is going to be my last month doing the unboxing, but I'm still going to be on board helping with training and the transition process. And Christina is really excited to keep going with the mission of Teacher Care Crate. And of course, she'll put her own spin on things, but especially for the next couple months, things are really going to be staying the same. And you're going to continue to have the same great Teacher Care Crate experience that you've always had. Like I said, I will be around, especially for the next couple weeks or month or two. So I just wanted to share that with all of you, and thank you for all your support over the years, and I hope you will continue to support Teacher Care Crate and be part of the Teacher Care Crate community. Thanks for watching.